Yo, what's going on, everybody? What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Eric, and here with the investment channel. I'm going to be talking about IDEX stock or Ideanomics. Just actually, it's not really going to go into, I'm not going to go into the business itself. Just some of my subscribers have been requesting me to kind of do a chart breakdown. So, on some of these companies, and I'm going to be doing as I go onto like more companies that you guys put in my comment sections. I'm not gonna be able to do every single one of them, but I'll try. And today I picked this one because I saw it. It's pretty good. It's looking pretty good. And let's just go dive into it right now. All right. Okay. So as of for now, it looks like the IDEX is sitting at about $3.14. And there's a few things that we want to look into. It's and it's gonna be the change of trend. That's like the most important thing in my opinion. That when I'm analyzing a chart, that I want to make sure that it's happening, which is the change of directions. Okay, so for me to start doing that, the first thing I would want to know it's so since they hit $5.68, what happened? We know that that was in February, and February we had a rough month, and everything started going down. So then it was obviously that there was a pattern. Okay, we had a pattern right there. So we want to come down here and kind of see this. There's a pattern, so that's that, and then this right here on top. There's this too. Okay, right there. So we could see that this trend right there, it was going down. At one point, it got broken out. Okay, so it broke it, and then it got confirmed. In my opinion, it got confirmed right there by this candle that and now the reversal happened. So after seeing this, I'm like, hey, this is what can happen. Uh, let's say that we make this trend right there. So we want to see an uptrend going. So as long as we see this uptrending, okay, hitting this base and then keep going, then that's cool with us. But then let's say, let's say that a breakout is coming out soon, and may not be 100% right, but all I'm gonna say is that we could see right here on the moving average right there, okay, that hey, it was indicated that we might see a push, and if we see this, if we go to the last one, I'm gonna go to the closest one. It didn't lie to us, okay. After this sign right here, we had a push. So I'm gonna say, hey, so let me go ahead and make this. So if we can break this trend line right there, right now it's like a 3, depending on where it is. I say 3. It can start. It's gonna start at $3.89 and go and end at $3.15. If we can break this, then we can definitely see maybe a increase to the next resistance, which is going to be the new support. I want to say about 16% run, and that literally, I believe that can happen. It could happen if things do play out the way I'm seeing that it's gonna go. Obviously, it's not something that's gonna be 100%, but I believe that the IDEX is probably going to see $4 pretty soon. Okay, just looking at it right now. But obviously, there's always the other way around. If it breaks this, okay, this support trend right here, if it breaks it, then we can start going back down again and maybe come see twos. Okay, so you got to be careful on that. Always have your stop loss if you're trading this. I don't own any shares on IDEX. This is just me breaking it down for you. But I do see the possibility of actually breaking this and going back into the fours. Okay. And if that happens successfully, then we could most likely go into the fives. So usually, technically speaking, let's say if you were able to get this at $3.15 and then go all the way, even if it's right here at $4.85, you're looking at a 54% increase. So yeah, keep that in mind that we don't know what's gonna happen. We can just kind of like assume things. There's a pretty obvious resistance right here at $3.90. And for the support, we want to make sure that, hey, right now, this is what I kind of want. Okay, I want this trend to be confirmed that this is actually on an uptrend. Okay, so this right there, I'm gonna use this as my new support level. Okay, as long as we keep going, because then if we break it, and then we're gonna have to look for the nearest one. Then I believe it's gonna be around $2 and about $2.70 or so. So keep that in mind. As long as we can break this resistance and trend right here, then we could most likely, let's say if you wait until here and then it confirms it, so it breaks it and then it kind of comes down again and it confirms it and it starts going back up, then that's a possibly still pretty good, about 20% gain right there up until the next resistance. But yeah, that's my opinion on that. It doesn't matter. It don't mean it's gonna happen, because well, we can see it can always go down. So just keep your stop loss very tight in this case. But yeah, just make sure that you don't invest more you can afford to lose, because you know it can always go south. And then for that, always have your stop losses and all that. So that way you prevent you so you don't lose capital, you know, and just prevent you can preserve your capital. Okay, but guys, that's pretty much it. This is my 5th video today. I don't know if I'm going to be posting everything. Hopefully I can, but yeah, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.